Hello friends, welcome back to Dr. Shah's Maths Clinic. In the last lecture, we have seen about the mean deviation about the mean. Now we are starting with the new topic, that is the mean deviation about. So the mean deviation about the median, we are starting with that. Chapter number 15, statistics, median. So what is median? So median is the middle most observation of the given data. Here we have two possibilities. Number one, if n, that is number of observations, are odd. If number of observations are odd, then median n, that is equals to n plus 1 by second observation. Number of observations are odd, then m equals to n plus 1 by second observation. Number 2, if number of observations are even, then m equals to n by second observation plus n by second plus 1th observation, this whole divided by 2. Again, if n is even, then m, that is median, equals to n by second observation plus n by second plus 1th observation, this whole divided by 2, that is, it's the average of middlemost two observations. Now if you want to find median, then the most important and necessary condition is that you need to arrange all the observations either in ascending or in descending order. The necessary condition for finding the median is that you need to arrange all the observations either in ascending or in descending order. So mean deviation about the median is given by delta m. Mean deviation about the median is given by delta m. And what is the formula for delta m? Delta m equals to sigma I running from 1 to n modulus of xi minus m by n. Again, delta m equals to sigma I running from 1 to n modulus of xi minus m by n, where delta m, that is the mean deviation about the median, xi is given observation, capital M, that is median of the given observation, and once again the small m, that is total number of observation. Make a note for a mean deviation about the median. Okay, so let's start with the next one. Next, exercise number 15.1, question number 3. Find the mean deviation about the median for the data 13, 17, 16, 14, 11, 13, 10, 16, 11, 18, 12 and 17. We want to find mean deviation about the median. So first of all, we have to find out median here. So for that, arranging all the observations in the ascending order. So the minimum is 10, then 11 2 times, 12, then 13 2 times, then 14, 16 2 times, 17 2 times, 18. Now here n, that is equals to 12, that is even. So the median is the n equals to n by second observation plus n by second plus 1th observation, this whole divided by 2. Here n equals to 12, 12 by 2, that is 6th observation, 12 by 2 plus 1, that is 7th observation, this whole divided by 2. Again, n, that is equals to n by second observation plus n by second plus 1th observation, this whole divided by 2. Here n is 12, 12 by 2, that is 6th observation, 12 by 2 plus 1, that is 7th observation. Here the 6th observation is 13, 7th observation is 14. So 13 plus 14 by 2. Again, 6th observation is 13, Seventh observation is 14. So 13 plus 14 by 2, that is 27 by 2, that is equals to 13.5. Now I am writing all the observation in a column form and modulus of xi minus n as well. So xi is 10, 11, 11, 12, 2 times 13, 14, 2 times 16, 2 times 17 and 18. Modulus of xi minus n, once again we are going to take here positive difference only. So that is 10 minus 13.5, that would be minus 3.5, but it's a modulus, so that would be 3.5. 11 minus 13.5, 2.5, again 2.5. 12 minus 13.5, 1.5. 13 minus 13.5, 0.5, 0.5. 14 minus 13.5, 0.5. 16 minus 13.5, 2.5. 17 minus 13.5, 3.5. And the last 18 minus 13.5, that is 4.5. Now give me addition. So here addition equals to 28. Now the mean deviation about the median. The formula for that mean deviation about the median is sigma I running from 1 to n modulus of xi minus m by n. Again sigma I running from 1 to n modulus of xi minus m by n. So that is equals to modulus of xi minus m sigma, that is 28, and total number of observation is 12. 28 by 12, that is 2.33. Is it okay? Make a note. Let's start with the next sum, number 4. Find the mean deviation about the median for the data 36, 72, 46, 42, 60, 45, 53, 46, 51 and 49. So here arranging the observations in a ascending order. First of all the minimum one 36, then 42, then 45, then 46 2 times, then 49, then 51, then 53, then 60 and the last is 72. So here once again n equals to 10, which is even. Therefore n, that is equals to n by second plus 1th observation divided by 2. N by second, that is 10 by 2, that is 5. 10 by 2 plus 1, that is 6th observation divided by 2. So here the 5th observation is 46, 6th observation is 49, divided by 2, 95 by 2 is 47.5. Now arranging the observation in a column form and again going to find out modulus of xi minus m. Once again it is modulus, so that would be positive. So xi 36, 36 minus 47.5, 11.5, 42 minus 47.5, 5.5, 45 minus 47.5, 2.5, 46 minus 47.5, that is equals to 1.5. 49 minus 47.5, 1.5, 51 minus 47.5, 3.5, 53 minus 47.5, 5.5, 60 minus 47.5, 12.5, and the last 72 minus 47.5 is 24.5. Give me addition, that would be 7070. Now the mean deviation about the median, that is equals to sigma I running from 1 to n modulus of xi minus m by n equals to sigma modulus of xi minus m is 70, 1 upon n, that is n, number of observation is 10, 70 by 10, that is equals to 7. So that is the mean deviation about the median. Make a note.